The fourth process of the evaluate, direct and monitor domain, called ensure resource optimization, has three process goals. The first goal is to ensure that the enterprise resource needs are being met in an optimal manner. The achievement of this goal is measured by the number of benefits achieved through optimal resource utilization, and by the number of deviations from the resource plan. The second process goal is to ensure that the needed resources are allocated within budget constraints. It is measured by the percent of projects with adequate resource allocations. The third goal is to ensure that the resources usage is optimized throughout their life cycles. Its achievement is measured by the number of resource management targets realized, and by the percent of projects affected with medium to high risks due to resource issues. There are many entities that have to play a role in this process. From a RACI chart's perspective, the entity that is held responsible is the executive management, including the chief executive officer, the chief information officer, and other business executives. The entity that is held accountable is the board, as this process is part of the governance domain. The entities that would be consulted are the chief financial officer, the IT head architect, the head IT operations, and other managerial personnel. This process has three practices, which are: evaluate resource management, direct resource management, and monitor resource management. The first practice, which is evaluate resource management, receives several inputs from the APO processes, such as the skill development plans, and the gaps required to realize target capabilities. It produces several output that are used by the APO processes as well, such as the guiding principles for the resource allocation, and the approved resources plan. The activities that should be performed in this practice include examining the options for providing IT resources and developing the capabilities to meet current and future strategy requirements and needs. The principles for resource management and allocation should be established to ensure resource optimization. The resource plan should be reviewed and approved, and should be aligned with the enterprise financial and human resource plans.